Hello internet people. Today we'll be doing our rain gutter in my dad's garage. I do them every fall. So here's the right now. I'm gonna show you how I do it every fall. Right now, yeah, pine tree right here and stuff. Got them all right here and stuff. Oh, look at that lizard and stuff. Let me show you the tools I need. This is the tools you need: a wheelbarrow, this, and a ladder. Let's get set up. All right. So this is what we're doing with. This little slidey ladder right here. So we're starting shady parts so my camera doesn't overheat. After it's not that dirty, so we need to put that in. Go like this. Can't show you. And I just spilled it. That's not the part you're supposed to get. Scoop this out. What is this? Alright. How you do it? So. The first one. To focus. This is how I do it. Like this. So let me go do the rest on this side and I'll be right back. Alright, I just finished this now. Alright. So all of it. So let's go see what's on the other side. I mean, and that's wow, look at how tall this is. Look at how tall is that? Oh wait, my camera's still zoomed in. Alright, I'm gonna stop right here and pick up the camera again. And I should film what kind of, I think that's like you. Poison one. I'll be wearing gloves and stuff, so I'll check back in here after. Alright, let's see. Got halfway done. Ow, my finger. So, let's see what's in this. What got it? It's hot. Stop the water. And we got another one discovered. I want to clean all this off. Maybe finish that corner over there. Then I'll pick up the camera again. And we drop the load off. I think my hands wrinkled up. I got the whole thing clean. So you guys see how I did the load. So we're gonna go this one. I'm gonna show you this gutter. After that, we might see what's on this side of the gutter. Yeah. Alright. Drop the load off. Let's see. Here we go. Did you hear something? I don't know. Let's try that from the gutter. Guys, what is that? What is that? Is that a piece of my dad's antenna? And I gotta take a potty break. Alright, I gotta go potty break now. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I did most of the other thing. This thing might be hot because I don't know how long it's been up here. Photos in the garden, abandoned garden area. Hope I don't fall. Alright, let's finish again. Might call it a day when I get to that end. I don't want to film anymore. I'm too exhausted to finish the recording. My camera's not full too. I think I'm gonna end it here. So I might want a break right now. Because I usually don't take breaks on here. But I need one right now. So many of them. So I'm going to take a break here. Thanks so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button, notifications, and I'll see you next time on TBS. I mean, Rich Ash TBS.